Today, let's dive into the word seiji, which you'll frequently encounter in news broadcasts, political discussions, and debates, providing an insight into governmental matters and public affairs. A word, seiji, pronounced as seiji, means politics in English. It refers to the activities, actions, and policies used to govern a country or area, often involving the formulation and administration of public policy and decisions. The first kanji means politics and government, and points to actions about running or organizing a country. In words like seito, it shows the idea of groups involved in governing, and in seisaku, it gives the sense of plans or measures by the government. The second kanji means to govern or to heal, and covers both ruling and curing. In words like chiyo, it brings the healing or curing meaning. And in chian, it refers to the state of public order or governance. I have an interest in politics. 私は政治に関心があります。私は政治に関心があります。Japan has stable politics. 日本は政治が安定しています。日本は政治が安定しています。He supports politics. 彼は政治を支持しています。彼は政治を支持しています。